първата най-голяма промяна, която ще видим в рамките на следващите няколко години, е свързана с така наречената агентна търговия, което само по себе си е много фундаментална промяна, която ще промени целият начин, по който мислим въобще за икономиката.
I think the biggest change is not necessarily in technology, but how technology is going to transform humanity.
I think it's going to be harder to invest in amazing companies because they're going to be more concentrated in some geographies and they're going to be even more unknown.
I think the biggest change that will happen is more and more companies will be shifting the work of building AI to the hands of subject matter experts in business teams.